Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So, during the Dashera holidays, we went out for a 1 week trip to Goa, and if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen some glimpses on the stories I posted over there. We had lots of fun, and how can I miss sharing those lovely moments with you? So, our next couple of videos will be on the Goa vacation, and I have divided the videos into parts so that a single video doesn't get too lengthy. We planned the trip in such a way that we get enough time to spend at South Goa, North Goa, and Gokarna. So, today's video is the first part in the Goa series and it includes our experiences from South Goa during the first 2 days. Hope you like it, so keep watching. We were a group of 5 families and we started from home by 3:30 am. It was raining heavily in Bangalore for around 1.5 hours. We took the Davangere route and Advik was sleeping throughout the journey. At around 8 am, we halted at Hotel NH4 Grand for breakfast. After having breakfast, we continued the journey and took a break near this lovely lakeside view. After almost 10 hours of journey, we reached Patnam Palm Garden, where our stay for the next 2 days were booked. This property is located 300 meters from Patnam Beach and the ambience was very soothing. We had booked family rooms with garden view for Rs 2000 per day. We all were very tired, so we took rest in the evening after freshening up. At night, we decided to explore nearby restaurants to have dinner and plan to walk around the area. Next day morning, after having breakfast, we went to the Patnam beach and had a lovely time. Patnam beach is known for its peacefulness and beauty, as well as the succulent seafood that is available in the area. It was not so crowded, and for the same reason we enjoyed playing in sea. Afterwards, we went to the room, took bath and came back to have lunch at the beach shack. Having lunch facing the sea view is a different feeling altogether. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. headed towards the Palolem beach. This beach is spread across a beautiful coast surrounded by hillocks and palm and coconut trees. We witnessed the beautiful sunset and spent some lovely time at the beach. At around 9 p.m., we reached back near our stay at Putnam Beach and had dinner from a nearby restaurant. Next day morning at around 6:30 a.m., we headed towards the hidden gem of the tiny state, Butterfly Beach. This beach is situated north of Palolem Beach and is one of the most beautiful beaches in South Goa. It is easier to reach the beach by a boat ride from the nearby beaches, but we wanted to have some adventure and chose the land journey, which involved a challenging forest hike. The starting point of the trek is 1.5 kilometers after passing the Valley Club. Beyond this point, vehicles cannot pass. We reached the parking area by 7 am and after paying Rs 100 as the parking fee, we started our trek towards the Butterfly Beach. The trekking route from here is approximately 2 kilometers long and took around 1.5 hours to cover the distance. The Butterfly Beach is surrounded by a lot of rocks, enclosed by a thick forest on one side and leading to the open sea on the other. The beach has a unique landscape. Butterfly Beach can easily be described as a piece of heaven on earth. Ooh, baby, I feel high with a violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with a violet sky. A violet sky on my skin. It is one of the most photogenic beach paradises in the world. The Butterfly Beach was named by earlier tourists who used to visit the place and saw millions of butterflies flying on the blossoms on the hillside. After spending some lovely time and clicking some amazing pictures at Butterfly Beach, we headed back to Putnam Palm Garden and checked out from there after freshening up. Our stay was booked at La Grace Resort for the next 2 days, and more on that in the next vlog, which will be up very soon. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button and do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with the next part of Goa series. You guys take care and be happy. Bye.